set now. Let's go check it out.
Let's go check out. Let's go upstairs. Put that away.
Put it right
Come on. Let's put that right there. Daddy, let's go upstairs.
All right, let's go check it out. I don't remember it being like this.
Beautiful. Look upstairs. Look upstairs. Wow. Barbie set.
Cool.
A Barbie set, Mommy.
Really?
Rabbits.
Let's hang our jackets.
Look.
Oh, pretty. That's like my old Barbie house.
Yeah, but it has all of the doors.
Mommy used to have a big one with all this stuff just like this.
I'm hanging up the jackets.
Cool.
Look.
It is.
You think you want to take them off?
I saw the rabbit in the picture.
Wait, we should have brought your tennies.
Hide. Cheese?
Cheese? Here, it's recording. Go follow some people.
Okay. Mommy, follow me. Daddy, wait. Whoa. I saw this. Mommy, come and see this. I saw that before.
Wow.
Here goes the choo-choo train. There goes the choo-choo. Choo-choo. Chugga chugga choo-choo. It's like Thomas. It's going under the tunnel. It's gonna come on my side. Wait, I'm gonna sit down, Megan.
Okay.
Whoa. Mommy! Look!
Wow!
This is...
It looks like an airplane.